All right, this is Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Last one. Hardly anything in it. It's a glorious thing because I am sweating to death and I smell bad because I've been digging through people's stuff. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay, as you can see, there's not much in here. We paid $25 for this unit. It was the last unit of the day. And the biggest reason is we actually looked at that there and thought maybe it's a metal sign. Unfortunately, when we got in here and looked, it was a mirror. So it's not really worth anything, but it looks like there's some really nice clothes, and I'm hoping there's something interested in some of these boxes. So we'll start digging the stuff out and see what's in here, and then I'll give you an update. Hey, so this is an update for the third locker. Obviously, you saw that there was not much in there, and I wanted to kind of give you an update on the day. So we got here at about 11:30. It is currently now about 7:30. So that is 8 hours. I did not spend the whole 8 hours here. We purchased all our lockers, and then we had to make an emergency visit to the hospital for a friend for about 3 hours. So 5 hours it took us to clear out all 3 of the storage lockers, and you have to sweep and clean them out totally. We found 37 cents and change, woo woo, and then but as you can see, this is a new experience for me. I want to be able to share with you all of the things that sell from this, and so I do have an entire carload of things. We did find a few clothing items in this last locker that I think are going to go well on Posh. We're going to make sure they're in good condition. But so we spent $110 totally on all 3 lockers, and then we rented a U-Haul for $100, so $210 total. You know, throw in some gas money there, we're probably more about $225. And so I'm going to try to keep you guys updated on what we found, but this last one didn't have as much as I would have liked. I think, you know, the excitement of, ooh, I just want to bid, you know, kind of got a hold of me on that one, but I was very reasonable with the purchase of the other one. So I'm going to take into consideration all 3 of the lockers, $210, maybe $225, and kind of average out what I make and see if I can make a profit on that. I really think I've got some good things. I got 2 rings that are sterling silver, which are awesome, and I'm super excited about. So hope this has been helpful to see what it's like to actually buy a storage locker and what realistically is actually in it, not based on the Hollywood version of Storage Wars. So hopefully this has been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.